What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sticks. A little bit of a different video today. I'm on a motorcycle. I just decided to go for a bike ride, take advantage of this dry weather versus the raining that's been going on and off in Texas. I wanted to talk to you guys about risk versus reward. On multiple occasions it's been brought up to me that my risk to reward ratio is too high. Hang on one second. I gotta clear my brow. Oh, it's so hot. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Yeah, that my risk reward is way too high. The numbers are too skewed because people, I've told people that I go in, my average is about 50 contracts, which can range between what, like $2,500, $3,500, and I get out in 3 cents. 3 cents, it's about, depending on where I buy it, but it's usually about 150 bucks. So people are under the impression that I am risking $3,000 to make 100. Whoops. And that's just not true. It costs me $3,000 to purchase those contracts. However, I repeat, I am not willing to lose $3,000 to make 150 bucks. That's insane. So how do I perceive risk? I guess we can discuss that. What is risk? Let's define that first. To me, risk is the amount of money I am willing to lose before I say my trade was wrong and I'm out, before I pull out and take that loss. So 100 bucks, that's the maximum I'm willing to lose. My target profit is $150 when I'm trading conservatively, when I'm scalping, right? 3 cent scalps, about 150 bucks. That's my target. So what does that mean? That means that I have used $3,000 to buy those 50 contracts, and now I'm willing to risk 100 bucks of those $3,000. At the same time, if it goes up 150 bucks, I'm pulling out unless I see that it's continuously going up and take that money, right? So for anybody that says that I am risking $3,000, it's just not accurate. That's not right. I don't want to go fast, but I better not. I know there's a lot of cops here. But anyway, yeah. So what I'm willing to risk might be different. Other people might define risk differently, but that is what I'm willing, that is how I define it, and that is why I don't see that I am risking $3,000. Because unless, let me give you a scenario where those $3,000 would vanish, all right? The only way those $3,000 would vanish, and it's happened to me before, and I'll go over that in a little bit, is if for some reason toss goes down, my internet goes down, my power goes out, my phone service goes out, I am unable to call them and tell them, please get me out of my position this instant. Unless anything like where I have no connection to toss, to TD Ameritrade, unless something like that happens, then there's no way I'm gonna sit there and bag hold and lose my money like that. That is insane. And if you guys are in the Discord, you know that I do not bag hold. I do not bag hold. That is a rule of mine. My rule, my philosophy in trading is I am either right or I'm out. Meaning, if I am correct, I am staying in that trade. If I am wrong, I will take my little loss and be out. This is why on my previous Instagram posts and videos, you see that my losses are like $100, $150. They're very small compared to my wins, because I don't backhold. Why do people backhold? I have no clue. I'd rather be out, and if it turns around and starts going my way, then I'll jump back in. It's very simple, but at least I'm out with a very minimal loss. Like, it's insane to backhold, in my opinion. I don't see why. I just don't see it. And then that's how people blow up accounts, or that's how people end up in debt. Anyway. Alright, so what happened to me in the past is I went in a trade. It was only like, I think it was a loss of like 2,600, 2,700. Anyway, I went in a trade and TOS literally stopped working for me. Now, my mistake for two reasons. Yes, TOS, I know it can break. I know it can stop working. Reason number one, I did not pick up the phone and I did not call TOS or TD Ameritrade and ask them if they can please get me out of my position. That TOS stopped working and I need help getting out. Mistake number one. Mistake number two is I could have gone to the damn website, TD Ameritrade, and closed it out myself. Right? So I did not do that. And instead I just waited and waited, really upset, arms crossed, making Twitter comments, really pissed off at freaking TD Ameritrade or TOS because their system went down. That was dumb. That was dumb. That loss could have been minimized to maybe $200, $300, maybe $500. No, instead I took a $2,700 lick because I was being an idiot. So unless those outlets are not available for me, then that is the only way I'm risking $3,000. I really hope that makes sense in how I see, and I hope you guys can understand how I see risk. Because I know even on the Discord, some people have mentioned that, you know, it's brave of me to take $3,000 risk to only make 150 bucks. Granted, that 150 bucks sometimes only takes seconds to make. It's still crazy that I would risk $3,000. I do not risk $3,000. I risk 100 because that is the maximum I'm willing to lose on a particular trade before I say screw it, I'm out. And I pull my money out, and you know, or I sell my stock, my options or stock, whatever I'm trading, and then I just man, it feels good right here. Anyway, oh, it feels so cool. But yeah, that's the most I'm willing to lose, 100 bucks. That's my risk. My reward is 150 when I'm scalping, and that's it. If you guys are not in the Discord, please join. Lots of valuable information. And it's free info. Add us on Instagram, Twitter, sub to our YouTube channel. I have one. Zero to Hero Trader has one. I am in Mexico, by the way. All right, you guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a short video, no stocks shown to you, but a lot of fun. Also, join us on our Sunday Stock Talk. We break down some charts. We go over what we're seeing for the week, for the upcoming week, and a lot of our picks have been really on the money, just really on the money. Lots of great traders in there. Lots of people that are making changes and actually being profitable. One of them, I want to give a shout out to Chinks the Billy. That boy came with the motto of I buy high, sell low, meaning that he's losing money on his trades. And now his charting has changed for the positive. He's been making some money, and it's good to see that. It's good to see people profiting and actually doing good, turning their losing streak into a winning streak. But yeah, join us. Thank you so much. Peace out.